See how these baby potatoes and stuff came out. These are baby potatoes, baby carrots, roasted in my toaster oven with garlic, onion powder, black pepper, seasonings, and of course some butter. I'm gonna have to throw some rosemary on there real quick with this. And that's gonna conclude our video. It came out delicious. It smells fantastic. Yeah, the smell is awesome. It smells awesome. I'm gonna tear this up. Oh, before I finish, I'm about to throw some Parmesan cheese on there too. Hook that up. You already know what's gonna go down. You know what I'm saying?